YouTube, what's the scene? It's your boy Chef back with another POV. You already see what we got going on. Yo Jug, got my boy J been jugging with me. Yo, what's the scene? Yo, why we don't show him what happened to your to the bad girl over there?
Go show him. The exhaust fell off. Nigga broke fucking exhaust fell off the fucking car.
You already see what we got going on here. Big M2. Shit a little dirty right now. You see a little bird shit going on here. But yeah, man. You said that's Rod Knock? Yeah, bro, that nigga knocking like a cunt. You hear it? Get a little closer so you get a better, you know what I'm saying? Get a better listen to it.
Not sure ready to go.
It's ready to go? Yeah, bro. The car just hit, what? 4,000 miles? This shit ready to go. Let's junk it. Let's junk this shit today, actually. You know what I mean? Ain't that right, Juggin? Yeah, man, you already see what's going on. Why you standing there like somebody's uncle? Break that shit down. Yo, what we about to get into today? What's the vibes today, man? Ebro? My subscribers don't know nothing about no Ebro. If they from New York, let me know in the comments what y'all boys know about Ebro and if y'all gonna be at Ebro. Man, catch me at Ebro. Catch me and the guys at Ebro. Hey, my subscribers going to Ebro. Catch me and the guys at Ebro.
So you don't got spaces in the back?
Nah.
I feel like you should put spaces in the back.
Nah. I'm gonna put the spaces in the back, but I'm gonna take the ones out in the front.
Why?
Cause I don't need it, bro.
Nah, you don't need it.
Nah.
This
I don't know.
Perfect.
You think so? You like it? It's flush?
Yeah, but like that looks like it's in.
Yeah, it is. Cause these is 12s in the front, and I got 15s for the rear. But they not on it yet. What the fuck is that? Grass?
Spaces.
Just keep the spaces, right?
Lower it. Spring. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Sit like nice and flush.
But what I got planned for the car can't have no places on it.
You don't have to go to the tires that
I see what you're saying, big dog. Yes, sir. Yo, you said what, big bro?
So the GS on the way out.
The
You see a mean pull off.
the dead GSN at the corner?
What?
The dead shit sitting at the corner?
Shit not dead.
It's sitting on wood.
It's getting turboed.
It's getting turboed? Okay, big dog, I hear you. All right, big dog. All right, big
Turbo on the corner of the block.
turbo on the corner of the block. Gotcha. He talking some other shit, chat. Anyways, let me give this kid a little quick burnout on him one time. What happened, big dog? Nah, we didn't catch that on the cam. Yeah, bro, you see what's going on. We got the GS here on the bricks. On the wood, nigga. Hope y'all can see that, bro. GS on the wood, bro. Alright, let's do it. But yeah, man, I thought I'd pick up the cam for y'all boys. Give y'all boys a little, push out a little vid for y'all. I know a lot of people in my comments in my DM saying they fuck with the POV drives. Oh wow, that's crazy. They fuck with the POV drive, so you know, I'm gonna keep doing them for y'all. Bro, but I do got some exciting news coming. I don't want to share too much of it yet. Who the fuck honking? JR! Nigga JR! Nah, nigga JR, son, I'm crying. Nah, let me call Villain. Nah, Villain bugging right now. Let me call Villain. Nah, bro. Nigga, if there's any nigga in the hood with a truck horn, it's Villain, bro. Yo. Yo, I was just seeing you, bro. You honking down this shit crazy.
Where you at?
Nigga.
I'm busting that walk.
Nigga. Nigga, bro. Nigga, bro. I was just at thing. Nigga, I was at the light and I see you coming on that shit, bro, with the truck horn. Bro, I'm pulling up to the Walgreens right now. Yeah.
Where you at?
Bro, I just passed Peace Support. I hear you. Where you at? Yo, Slud. Yo.
Where you at?
You see me? I'm in the M2.
Oh, you're in the M2 right here?
Yeah. Slud.
Oh, I saw the M2 right
Bro, I had the camera on my head and everything. Yo, nigga. Yo, you bugging. Nah.
Come on now, you see my mattress?
Nah, you bugging, boy. You bugging.
Let's go, move that shit.
Nigga, JR bugging in the maxi, son. Yo, do your homework on the maxi with the truck horn, bro. Yo, bro. Yo, I had to make a quick stop right here, bro. I'm gonna go back and get my shit real quick, alright?
Alright, bet. I'm waiting for you. I'm heading to the crib right now. You see what I'm doing?
Alright, bet. In a bit.
Alright, bet.
Alright. Look at JR, son, bro. That nigga is comedy, bro. Nigga JR, son, what? Nigga flying down this shit with the fucking truck horn, boy. Nah, he's a movie. Alright, y'all. So, hold on, let me put this shit in thing for y'all. Alright, so back to what I was saying before all that shit happened. Yeah, I got some exciting news coming up. I don't want to share it yet, but those who know, like those who like, feel me? If you know, you know, like big things. I posted on my Instagram story. If y'all don't know, follow me on my Instagram. It's the same as my YouTube. I posted on my Instagram. Bro, big things are coming to the M2. Like, we are really like shit is in the works. Like, we are taking this like whole car shit down like more than what it is. Like, we really changing the narrative of this shit, right? Like, it's me and a couple group of friends. Like, we really like, we changing the narrative of this shit. So I've been talking to some people. I've been doing my homework on certain shit, feel me, on what I gotta do to take this shit to the next step. So like in about a month and a half, maybe 2 months, yo, you gonna see, bro, a lot of different content is gonna be coming to this channel, yo. Just know that different content is gonna be coming to this channel. Like, yo, I don't want to say too much because I don't want to spoil it for y'all, but like, just know, like, we really changing the narrative of this shit. And I really, like, bro, shout out to everybody that's about to be a part of this shit. Like, bro, I just can't wait for y'all to see it, bro. And this nigga is in the middle of the road with the shit, bro. There's no way. Yo, we could have moved this over a little bit better than this. I feel like this was a little wild. I feel like we could have did a little better than this. I'm just saying. All that space over there. What? What language he speaking? But yeah. Bro. But like I said, man, yo, I just can't wait to see. I've been talking to different people. like, cause I gotta get certain shit made for the car. That's what I'm saying. All the shit that we put on this car, bro, is gonna be custom shit. Like, we gotta get certain shit made precisely for this shit. Bro, y'all gonna see, bro. And I'm really excited, bro. I really, like, bro, I genuinely am excited. Like, bro. Bro. I almost spun that shit just now. Let me stop. But yeah. I can't break traction. Well, I can, but like, the M2 configuration I have on, you know, it's my fucking, like, it's the kill setting. So, you know, my traction is on like a fucking, what was it, 4? Yeah, so it could break traction, but I'm just not giving it enough shabam. But yeah, man. Fans is kicking. My fault, y'all. I had to lock in. Yeah, man, but that's what I'm gonna say on that. Make sure y'all follow my social medias and all that shit to really like keep up with this shit, cause I'll be posting consistently on that shit. And let me know, man. Yo, y'all would be interested if I started streaming this shit? I really been thinking about it. A lot of people be streaming and shit, man. What if I was to become a streamer? You know what I mean? What are your thoughts on that? Y'all would watch me if I was streaming and shit? Cause I ain't gonna lie, I'm an entertaining nigga. You know what I mean? So I don't know. Would y'all watch me if I was streaming and shit? Let me know. I don't know what to do with myself. I don't know what to do with myself. Man. Alright, boys, so right now I'm currently on the way to go get me a little haircut. If y'all don't know, my birthday coming up in a couple of days, so you know, gotta get right. So I'm trying to drop this video before that. Yo, I also want to mention something. I just want to say thank y'all for getting me to 500 subs, yo. It was a milestone. Completed it. Now it's road to 1K. I know we could do it. Road to 1K. I appreciate y'all for the 500. I'm not gonna lie though. What was I gonna say? What you gonna call it?
Prestige.
Oh, what the fuck? Oof. I genuinely didn't think like y'all would be fucking with me like that, man. Shit, seen the 500, said yo, people fuck with me, everybody supporting me, everybody in the DMs, everybody in the comments. I appreciate all of y'all, man. I wouldn't be here doing this shit without y'all support, honestly. So I do just want to say thank you for that. And I want to say thank you, fucking loud ass truck boy. And I want to say thank you for that other video I dropped with the other BMWs. That shit is at 36K views right now. Over 500 likes. That's fucking insane. So thank you again for that. I really do appreciate y'all. It do means a lot that y'all fucking with me for real. Fucking roads bumpy as shit, boy. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, probably gonna end the video off here. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, all that shit. And keep subscribing, yo. Well, keep doing everything, but also the comments. I just want to say I do read the comments. I do see everybody's comments and stuff. I do try my best to like and reply to everybody. There do be a lot of y'all, man. I ain't gonna lie. A lot of y'all fuck with the kid, so I appreciate that. But yeah, thank you. Yeah, bro. Chef out, bro. Y'all know what it is.